Keychain ferrite, 3 1/8 by 5/16. More companion stainless steel. Kind of chaotic, but it does work. Alright y'all, do me a favor, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. How about that stainless steel Hobo stove? You ought to try to build you one. I built it out of a 3-quart pot that I bought from the Goodwill store, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description.